toilet seat height.
Yes, toilet seat height.
Yeah.
So first of all,
Yeah.
if you have a standard toilet seat height,
What's standard?
Standard is like the short potties.
Yeah.
They are probably
They're not meant to be short. They just
they're not
worked out
meant to
that
be
way.
short. They just worked out that way. Yep. They sometimes come in at like 14 to 15 and a half inches the seat height from the floor, which
Wow.
is short.
Yeah.
So
It's a couple inches higher than a foot.
higher than a what? Oh, higher than a foot.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So a lot of times people have trouble getting up off of those because of the low height.
Yeah.
Some people will replace those with more what they call a comfort height toilet
Yeah.
that comes in closer to like 17 inches to 19 inches high. So, there's that.
Yeah.
And then there's also the possibility that you could add a riser to your toilet. In some people, some tall people may need a riser on their comfort height toilet.
Oh, even on the comfort
just
height.
to bring it up, depending on their strength of their legs and things
Yeah.
like that. But risers, they vary in height. Usually I'll put one that's around about 3.5 inches on, which seems to be pretty good.
Yeah.
You always want to make sure, especially with some of us vertically challenged people,
Right.
that you don't get it too high, because then you're on the toilet and your legs are dangling, and that's not comfortable either.
Yeah.
So